Welcome to my world. We're doing air fryer London broil tonight. We got corn on the cob, and we have french fries. We like to do beef on Saturdays. We do theme nights when I meal plan. There is a meal planning players list linked below for your enjoyment, titled Meal Plan. We're going to be seasoning up the London broil and putting it into the air fryer. We're going to show you how we do it. Then we're going to have it with the corn on the cob. There was a great buy on the London broils. They were $1.99 a pound. And we got 2 huge ones in one package, and we took the other one and put it in the freezer. So my freezer's stocked with steaks now. The corn was also a great buy at 8 for $2. Let's go into my kitchen and get cooking. Ready to prep our dinner. The store had corn on sale, 8 for $2, and the London broil was on sale, $1.99 a pound. We're going to do air fryer London broil. We're going to have corn on the cob, and then we're going to have french fries with this. This beautiful London broil we picked up for $1.99 a pound. The other one is in a Ziploc bag in the freezer for another time. We also have our other steaks we picked up a few weeks back at BJ's in the freezer. We do steak night usually once a week. It all depends on the weather, if we can grill or air fryer it. We're going to season this up. I'm going to have my husband take over in a few minutes, and he's going to show you how we get it. I'm getting the dishes out. If you heard it, it wasn't soft. I'm going to set the table, and then we're going to get the water going for the corn. These are my dishes from the Dollar Tree. And Jacqueline doesn't eat steak, so they'll probably have eggs or something for their dinner. Pot down. And then we're going to get the water going for the corn. And fill it up 3/4 of the way full. And then when it comes to reach and boil, drop the corn and the cob in. This is the corn that we picked up. Show them the corn, how good it was.
Oh, it looks very nice.
This is the first set of corn we've had this summer, and I'm very excited. Corn shucked. Look how beautiful it is. The shop I had some really nice corn. We got 8 of them. We're going to have some today and then some tomorrow. Tomorrow we're grilling chicken because it's going to be beautiful outside. It's been raining off all day today. And it's supposed to rain again later this evening, so we didn't want to chance it and try to grill. A clean cutting board. My husband's going to marinate the London broil. It is very nice looking, very big piece of beef. Let's rinse our meat and chicken. Very nice piece of London broil.
So we're gonna.
Speak up.
You want to oil? Let's just do a
Couple teaspoons.
rubbing of oil
Both sides.
on both sides. We're gonna do some garlic.
Now, do we do both sides of the steak with pepper and garlic?
Yeah, what I'm doing. One thing.
Place the garlic, and we do both sides of the steak. A little more garlic than the pepper. Don't do a lot of the black pepper because my teen is not a big fan of it. I cannot live without my black pepper or my garlic.
Okay. You can. So after you oil it and season it, you should let the steak settle to room temperature before putting it in your air fryer or oven.
Brought the steaks out, and we're going to get them into the air fryer. I'm going to spray it lightly with your favorite butter spray. And then place it right on in. Listen to that sizzle. How long and then do we flip?
12 minutes, flip after 6. And then we're going to test it.
Always use a thermometer for meat safety and chicken safety. There is a raging boil. We're going to be adding the corn in a minute. And the deep fryer is almost ready for the french fries that we picked up. We got the Great Value brand. They are actually crinkle cut for $1.82. We got 2 pounds of french fries, and we're going to put some into the deep fryer, and they're going to come out nice and crispy and golden brown. Drop the corn in so you don't get burned. And how long do you keep it into the boiling water?
Oh, I like to do it around 8 minutes.
Flip over the meat.
Now, it still may need additional time. Oh, it's going to need additional time. We'll put it in for 6.
Adding the fries to the basket. And then we're going to put it into the air fryer. A little more.
No, that's plenty.
Honey,
For 3
okay.
people, yeah.
I'm going to season them after they're done. How long do they go in?
I put them in for 5 minutes.
5 minutes in the deep fryer. I have used the deep fryer before. It is out of my comfort zone, but I do use it. We picked up our thermometer at Walmart, by the way. Always check the thickest and the densest. I was
Gotta
told.
go in.
My husband already took the fries out of the deep fryer. They came out perfect and golden brown. We're going to salt them. And we have them with ketchup. We got the corn out on the plates. The steak is almost done. It had to go in for a couple more minutes. And you always thermometer to check any meat or poultry or pork. The steak looks like the temperature is perfect. And it came out so nice. And look at all the juices flowing from it. This is the air fryer London Broil. I highly recommend you trying it in the air fryer if you have not done so. It looks like on my plate, the air fryer London Broil, the corn on the cob, and the french fries. It was $1.99 pound for the London Broil, $8 for $2 for the corn on the cob, and the bag of french fries was $1.82. A great buy.